बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। सल्लल्लाहु अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व आलिहि व सहाबिहि वसल्लम। Assalamu alaikum students and hi viewers. Welcome to IT Knowledge Seeker YouTube channel. Dear students, I am going to start programming fundamental course. In first lecture, we will learn about introduction to programming. Let's start the lecture. What is program? Well-defined set of activities in a sequence to do something or to solve some specific problem is called program. What is computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions written in some programming language to perform some specific task. We can also define a program set of ordered instructions that enable a computer to perform a specific task is called program. What is language? Language is a way to communicate with each other, used to exchange ideas, thoughts, needs, emotion, feelings with each other. What is programming language or computer programming languages? A computer language is a set of predefined words that are combined into program according to predefined rules to instruct the computer to perform some specific task. Syntax: predefined set of rules to write the instruction in programming language is known as syntax. It's a grammar of programming language. Evolution of programming languages. To write a program for a computer, we must use a computer language. A computer language is set of predefined words that are combined into program according to predefined rules to instruct the computer to solve some specific problem. So it means programming language provide a way to communicate a user with computer. Over the year, computer language have evolved from machine language to high level languages. Machine language. In the earliest days of computer, the only programming language available were machine language. Each computer had its own machine language, which was made of streams of 0 and 1s. Stream means flow of 0 and 1s. It is quite difficult to understand, learn and work. Machine language is hardware dependent. Machine language is the only language understood by a computer directly. Here is an example of machine language code to add two integers. We can see the instructions are flow of 0 and 1s or streams of 0 and 1s. It is quite difficult to understand the instructions in binary form. Assembly language. The next evolution in programming came with the idea of replacing binary code for instructions and address with symbols or mnemonics. Because they use symbols, these languages were first known as symbolic languages. The set of these mnemonics languages were later referred to as assembly language. The assembly language code for our hypothetical computer to replace the machine language in previous slide is available to next slide. Comparatively, assembly language is easy from machine language, but if we compare assembly language to high level language, it is also a difficult language. Assembly language is also hardware dependent language. Let's see in example, the same example which we already seen in last slide. A code in assembly language to add two integers, like load RF keyboard, load from keyboard controller to register F, store number 1 RF, store register F into number 1. We can see the instructions written in assembly language comparatively easy from machine language, easy to understand, like add R2, R0, R1, add register 0 and 1 with result in register 2. Here's assembly code. We cannot here to understand the assembly language. It is just to show how the instructions are in assembly language. High level languages, although assembly language greatly improved programming efficiency, they still required programmers to concentrate on the hardware they were using. Working with symbolic language was also very tedious because each machine instructions had to be individually coded. The desire to improve programmer efficiency and to change the focus from the computer to the problem being solved led to the development of high-level languages. Over the year, various languages, most notably BASIC, COBOL, Pascal, Ada, C, C++, and Java were developed. Program in machine and assembly in previous slides shows the code for adding two integers as it would appear in the C++ language. Here C++ example to add two integers. Output statement to show user enter the first number, and input statement getting input from user and storing into memory location. This statement is an output statement to show a message to the user enter the second number, and this statement is an input statement to get input from user in second memory location. And we in this instruction we are adding two numbers from these memory locations, and the result is storing into third memory location, and then we are displaying result on the screen using output statement. We can see it is quite easy to understand the code in C++ and quite easy to work in C++. Introduction of C++. C++ was developed by Björn Strostrup at Bell Laboratories. C++ is high-level computer programming language. C++ is extension of C language. C++ provides the capability of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is an approach to solve problems by using objects. It is beyond the scope. Right now we can discuss it in later on. C++ has become dominant language in industry and college. Translation, language processor or translator. Programs today are normally written in one of high-level languages. To run the program on computer, the program needs to be translated in machine language, because computer only understands the machine language. The program in high level language is called the source program. The translated program in machine language is called the object program. Two methods are used for translation: compilation and interpretation. Compiler normally translates the whole source program into object program. Source program, the program written in high level language is called source code. Object code, the program written in machine language by the compiler, is called object code. Interpretation, some computer languages use an interpreter to translate the source program into object program. Interpretation refers to the process of translating each line of the source program into corresponding line of the object program and executing the line. Basically, the difference between interpreter and compiler is that compiler translates the source code as a whole, while interpreter translates source code line by line. It generates an object file, but while interpreter is not generating an object file. When we are going to translate a source program or source code using interpreter, it always translate each line each time, while once we have using compiler to translate the source program, it will translate a source program as a whole into an object file, and we need to translate source code only when we modify source code. Otherwise, the same object file we can reuse many times, execute many times. Language processor or translator, there are three language processor or translator: assembler, compiler, interpreter. Assembler is used to translate assembly code into object code, while compiler and interpreter used for high level languages.